Now we'll use the bridge network. Bridge network means if you do Docker network ls, when we do Docker network ls, till now this bridge network was in use, this network ID, but we'll not use this bridge network, which is the default one. We'll create our new one, and some containers, that is two containers, will be used. We'll be using that network to communicate. Okay, so that's what we are achieving now. Let's. So I've created my network. Just to network ls. So my network is created. Type is bridge. Okay. So by default it created the bridge network with this command. Now let's run the container one. I'm creating a container one, name with container one, and I've specified that used network my network. Okay, and I'm using nginx container, nginx image to create this container one. Okay. Just do docker ps. Okay, so forget about this one. We created this now. Let's create one more container, container number 2. Check it. Okay, so other one is also created, and we did not specify -p here. Okay, so here by default it will show that inside the container it is working on port 80. Okay, and using docker inspect command we can get more detail. Docker inspect the first one. Okay, so it will show the IP addresses and all. Okay, now let's connect both the containers and check if they are able to communicate or not. Okay, that's what we want to achieve, because we have created a my network and both the VMs, only these two VMs are in my network, not any other VMs in containers, I mean. So I'll access container one. Okay, and by default whenever a container is created, internal DNS is created. So I haven't yeah, I have created container number 2, so I'll just ping it. Okay, so the ping command is not found, so we'll have to install it. So this is the command to install ping inside the container. iputils -ping. Okay, now if I do ping container 2, it's working. That means if you see, it appended my network properly. And let's go inside container 2 now and try to ping container 1, and that will also work. So again, download this iputils ping. And do ping container 1. Okay, it is pinging. So where it is useful, if we do the docker ps and docker network ls. So if you want to test something, okay, in a separate network, okay, then we can use this approach. We created a separate network, my network, all the containers will be in that network. If we create one more, my network 2, in that my network 2 will have again a kind of a virtual private service, you can say VPC kind of thing, that they will have their own uh, virtual network in which they can work. Okay, so this is all about the